we just stepped into one of the coolest offices in Dubai. The man behind it, Arvin Quidez, architect, businessman, and the managing partner of Sketch Life Design.
Hi, Expat Media. My name is Architect Arvin. I am the managing partner of Sketch Life Design here in Dubai, UAE. Meron kasi akong uncle na he worked sa construction. He is a painter. Every day, every night, tatawagin niya na ako. I was elementary that time. Arvin, halika dito, come here. Kasi ang amo ko, architect, isang pirma lang, milyon na. Kaya siguro yung aking uncle, nagkakaroon din siya ng idea. Kasi nga, I love to draw. Actually, ayoko mag-abroad. My dad is a former OFW as well, safety officer. Masakit doon yung aalis na yung dad ko. Siyempre masakit, aalis na naman siya, 1 year or 2 years na naman na hindi siya makikita. 4 years old pa lang ako, nag-abroad na siya.
When Arvin flew to Dubai in 2007, it wasn't for a job. It was for love.
Kami ni Gina, nauna siya dito sa Dubai, and then after a month, inisponsoran niya ako, sinalulungkot siya. Actually, ayaw ko talaga siya, pinipigilan ko siya kasi alam ko na yung feeling. Dahil nga wala akong magagawa dahil 4 sila magkakapatid, so kailangan niyang i-support. So yun, so kailangan niya lumipad. Then, kailangan ko ring sumunod. Ganun pala nagagawa ng pag-ibig.
But that leap of the heart led to a life sketched with purpose.
Yung time na 2007, wala pang ganong mga bus. Mahirap pa yun. Yung mga ticket pa, pipila ka pa bago ka pumasok sa bus. Wala pang metro. Ang sobrang konti ng taxi. And then, nag-start pa lang gawin yung yung Burj Khalifa. That time, actually, Dubai is booming. Ang daming opportunity. So, that time, ang dami kong company actually na-applyan. And halos lahat yung na-hire ako. Luckily, I found na mas malapit dun sa career ko because that is interior design consultancy. At ako yung naging junior architect. Kung ano na nasa isip ng client. We custom design. Mostly villas, private villas, sheikh houses. Isang project namin doon yung sa loob ng villa ng Zabil. Isa sa mga sheikh. Yung hindi pa yung ganong develop yung Jumeirah also. So yung mga villa din ng mga VIP locals, nagawa rin namin doon. Of course, they love gold. And then, a bit of diamonds, Swarovski, glass floors, platinum instead of metals platinum. There's no limit. Yeah, there's no limit. Then I got an opportunity. From interior design, binigyan ako ng opportunity to design a high-rise building. So yung project na yon ay nasa Saudi. Sabi ko, wow, parang from small scale, then for the very bigger scale.
Just when he thought everything was going well,
2008 kinasal kami. Parating na yung recession na yun, 2008. 2009, natanggal ako sa trabaho. Yun pa yung time na dumating yung first baby namin.
He faced layoffs, recession, and heartbreak, but turned every setback into strength.
You have to think positive. Sabi nga nila, if you cannot fly, you have to run. If you cannot run, you have to walk. If you cannot walk, you have to crawl. So it means we have to always to keep moving. So ang ginawa ko, may naipon naman ako kahit paano, meron ako nakuha sa company, bumili ako ng visa. Okay? I do freelancing. Naging maganda. Actually, marami pa ring offers. Marami akong naging freelance ako for almost 1.5 year. Okay? Naging maganda yung kita. Actually, nakakatuwa. Pero ang challenge doon, dahil may first baby kami, walang nag-aalaga. So, minsan, ang gagawin yung baby ko, dadaling ko sa trabaho, iiwan ko sa reception, kasi Pilipino naman. Nakakatawa naman kasi mahilig sila sa baby. Pero can you imagine, we don't have car that time. We took metro, I have the feeding bottle. Sobrang hirap. And then I have my meeting, conference meeting. Nagpapatulog ako ng bata, tapos umiiyak. Siya yung naging blessing. Recession blessing siya. Recession blessing. Siyempre, dahil nga minsan talagang hindi ako po pwedeng umabsent, si Gina naman yung wife ko yung siya naman yung absent. So, ganun yung naging cycle. Until hanggang sa maging okay naman, nabisahan na namin yung parents siya. Doon medyo nag-okay na. 2011, na-hire ako as a personal architect na ng Luta family. All the villas, all private properties, I handled it. Carpentry, steel, glass. So napasok ko yung industry na yun dahil meron din kasi yung Luta Group of Companies, malaki yung businesses nila. So napasok ko siya. So malikot ako, inaral ko siya. So nagkaroon ako ng magandang experience sa lahat ng mga departments. Kaya nakakatuwa pag yung the long-term relationship na iisip mo, darating at darating ang blessings, hindi ka pababayaan ni Lord. In 2018, I decided to resign kasi I want to my own company na. So, ayun na yung nag-start na yung panibagong journey ng buhay ko. Siyempre, startup. Ang una kong palang company, ang aking partner is Indian. He offered me an opportunity na mag-join sa kanya, mag-partner. So, yeah, I think it's a good opportunity for me kasi parang okay na yung company niya, pero so small kasi siya lang. Tapos isang foreman. And then I joined. So tatlo kami. But because of the network, dahil doon sa network ko nakakakuha kami ng projects from private to government as well. Then of course the referrals. Last client ko is a local. Ang project ko ay extension and renovation of Majlis. Naging maganda yung handover ko sa kanya. That time, kinamusta niya ako. Kamusta ang business? We're okay. But I'm not contented. Sinabi sa kanya, I have a bigger vision. Doon na nagsimula, inofera niya ako na, how about you can be my partner?
In 2021, with a business partner, he built Sketchlife, a design studio where creativity thrives and people feel seen, heard, and inspired. Today, Arvin's Sketchlife design is transforming Dubai's skyline with soulful, human-centered spaces.
Ang Sketchlife, we put our hearts doon sa ginagawa namin. Okay? So, we're not thinking about the budget. We're not thinking how much they will pay us. We're thinking how we are going to solve their needs and how to solve yung kanilang mga requirements sa pangangailangan nila. Kasi inisip nga namin, not a short term, it's a long term relationship. The design itself is only the result, but yung product namin gusto namin maibigay namin sa kanila yung the best of the best quality and the best relationship na gusto namin.
From sketches to skyscrapers, Arvin's story proves one thing, that with love, faith, and perseverance, anything you can imagine, you can build.
Aaminin ko, marami talaga mga galing na architect eh. Sobrang galing, sobrang likot ng isip nila, ang galing ng kamay nila. Pero masasabi ko, even I always keep positive eh. Iniisip ko na parang kahit na siya na imposible, posible sa akin eh. Kaya ang word na imposible, ginagawa ko po siyang possible. Paano? Imposible, impossible, I'm possible.